Go ahead and turn it.
Would you like the chair moved?
Yeah, I'll do it. That's
I want
right.
to get down.
Oh, you don't want to be up there?
No.
That's okay.
Oh, okay, I don't want to scare you. That's all right.
Daddy.
There you go.
Daddy can't touch the clock. Daddy's not allowed. This is only for grandfathers.
That's why it's a grandfather clock.
No,
Okay.
Daddy can't. It's only for grandfathers.
You gonna turn it? That's
There you go.
Good job.
Keep going.
Well,
Well, you're
Keep
okay.
going. Keep going.
got
You're
one
doing
more.
great.
There you go. You're doing a funny job.
There you go, sweetie.
Do you see the weight coming up? That's called a weight. You see it? See it's coming up?
Yeah.
Look at you go. Good job.
You go a little bit
A
more.
little more.
Go a little bit more. Okay, that's probably good. And move the
Perfect.
crank to the next hole. No, take the crank out now.
Pull it up.
Pull the crank out.
Pull it all the way up.
Go. So the way I like it, right here, okay? Now put it in here. Now let's get, hold on, let's get it in. Okay, now turn it. And here comes the center weight.
She's getting wiggly. Sorry.
What do you think? You see the weight coming up? You're doing that. You're doing that. You're making it happen. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough right there. Okay, now pull the crank out and put it in the next hole, okay? There you go. Put it in the next one. There you go. That's right. Kind of have to wiggle it to get it in there good and tight. There you go. I think you got it. All right.
I think it doesn't work.
It's coming. It's coming. Oh. Sometimes it does that while you're cranking it up. It's all right. It's okay.
What is it?
It's gonging. Did you hear the gong? Sure you did. All right. But no, it's kind of go kind of straight.
You want to.
Huh? All right. You want to turn it again? All right.
Okay.
You're doing a great job, Veronica.
You want to do it?
You've only got one more to go.
Okay, keep going. There you go. No, no, wrong way. Other way. Other way. Other way. No, no. Make it go this way. Okay. That's called clockwise. You're doing that. You're doing it. You're making that weight come up. A little bit more. A little more. No, no, not backwards. There you go. That's it. That's all. Okay? You did it.
Daddy.
You did it. Good job.
Buddy's happy too. Okay.
Good job.
Oh,
That's
You-
a big job, isn't it?
oh.
You
I
want-
need to. I forgot something to
That's,
get out.
that's all right. I'll take care of that. You wanna make the pendulum move?
Yeah.
Come on over here. Come on, I'll show you.
You want to make the pendulum
Hey, buddy.
move?
There,
Come on,
buddy.
buddy.
There, buddy. Okay, now just touch it on the side. And just move it just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh no. That's a little too much.
Okay, it's alright. It's
You're right.
It's okay.
Come back. Let's try it again a little bit. Come on. Let's do it. Now
Just
just
touch
a
it
little bit.
very
Just push it
gently.
very gently, okay?
Very,
Very gently. There you go. That's it.
Good job.
Yeah, you did it!
Good.
Good
Okay.
job.
You did a great job, Cal. That's good. Anybody know what time it is, by any chance?